day. Afternoon, gentlemen. Let's get to our first caller then. We have Veena, who calls in from Mangalore, and she wants to invest a sum of 20,000 rupees in Tata Steel. Veena, go ahead.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
Yes, your query?
I want to buy the Tata Steel.
Okay.
Is it right time?
Okay. What are the other stocks that you have in your portfolio, Veena?
HPCL and Eicher Motors.
Okay. Oh, all right. And how much of a profit are you sitting on for Eicher Motors?
2,000
Okay.
for one share.
Okay, I assume your buy price for Eicher Motors was 2,000 rupees per share. But any which way, I assume that you're going to sit on a good hefty profit on that one. But Mayuresh, what would you recommend to Veena? Is it a good time to enter Tata Steel? She has 20,000 rupees. What would you recommend to her?
Afternoon, Ekta. I think if our objective is to enter Tata Steel, again, I think the entry point should be staggered over the next 2 to 3 months. Yes, there have been increases in customs duties both on long and flat products, and that should basically aid the domestic steel industry. However, if you look at the numbers that Tata Steel has posted on a standalone basis for the quarter gone by, the realizations expected to remain weak in terms of what the situation looks like on ground. And again, I think the Chinese demand supply scenario is not improving. The raw material costs increased in the quarter gone by, and that had a toll on the EBITDA margin, which came at 16%. Tata Steel Europe fared no better. So I think at $44 on an EBITDA per ton basis, I think that was struggling clearly. So I think the next few months is going to be a struggle when it comes to demand supply, realization still being a little bit muted. But again, valuations in our opinion are looking attractive. So on the domestic side of things, we're valuing Tata Steel's operations at 6.5 times EV/EBITDA, internationally 5 times EV/EBITDA. The only concern that I see probably for Tata Steel would be the higher iron ore cost inventory, which will still take time to phase out. And again, I think the Kalinganagar plant expansion will take time. So I think in the next 2 to 3 months, buy in a staggered manner. I think we've got a price target of 380 on Tata Steel over the next 12 months.
All right, that's the word on Tata Steel.